Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we're at the new Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. We purchased this building for 1.1 million. It's a 1 acre land. We also have planning for this to be a fully fledged masjid. This outer building here will be a youth facility. This part, inshallah, will be a multi-purpose sports pitch. So we're in the main hall of Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. We will have the mimbar here, inshallah. In front of the mimbar, inshallah, we will have the funeral service here, the mortuary, Alhamdulillah. We have a separate entrance, a separate car park. So we're in the back part of the masjid, and this will be the dedicated hall for the sisters. You know, this is where Quran classes will take place, the coffee mornings, and the full locality here, inshallah, of Hall Green, Tyseley, Acox Green will benefit, inshallah. So as we can see on the right hand side upstairs, this is the dedicated side for the brothers. There's approximately 10 to 13 rooms here, and we'll have in the morning and afternoons, we'll have a full-time Aluminium course taking place. From 4 o'clock onwards, we'll have the maktab, the madrasa kids will be coming. And we do have a waiting list of over 350 kids. These rooms will be dedicated for the sisters. This will be segregated. Guys, we're in the basement. This will have a ta'ziyat place, and it will also be a place for jamaat work, dawah work. Downstairs in the basement will be the wudhū area. So much potential here. So brothers and sisters, in this blessed month of Ramadan, where you give one and Allah multiplies by many, please donate generously and get the reward in this blessed month.
الحبيب مشيدا أنمى إليه